Hi and welcome to Dave's Classic Collectibles. Today we're going to do not a review, just a quick update on the VE-SSV brought out by Authentic Collectables, but this one's in the red hot. So previously, a couple episodes on my channel ago, I done a full review on the SSV in Ignition Orange and Phantom, and I did mention that the red hot was soon to be released. This has been out for a couple of weeks now, so I thought we'd do a quick one for you and bring a few things to attention and a few changes that's happened with this model. Okay, so now we'll have a look at the model and some of the changes. What they did with the Ignition Orange and the Phantom, the car actually came in a sock, which I quite like to avoid any swirl marks and things like that from the foam. But what they've done is they've screwed these in, pretty much like the Biannis. So it is quite good, and obviously that's to make the car quite stable. Therefore, to do this, they weren't able to use the sock, but still a bit of tissue paper or something over this car would have really helped it, because I had quite a lot of swirl marks and had to polish this car to get it ready for today, which is a little bit sort of disappointing. Okay, so we've unscrewed it now from the box. It's just pretty simple, just 4 Phillips head screws that just to undo it, and here it is now on display. Some interesting points with this car. I'm a little bit disappointed in it, and there's a few reasons, and I'll explain that why. Red really is red hot. It was the colour that is really for a Commodore. If it's particularly with collectors, everyone loves the red hot, or they love the hair and the white, the red and the white on a Commodore. Very, very popular. As you can see, look, the mould and everything, as I said in the previous review of the VE-SSV and the Phantom and the Orange, the mould is really good. Car looks great. Now, I did criticise them for not putting carpet in the previous two cars. So what they've done in this one is they've actually put colour-coded floor mats. So thumbs up to Authentics for doing something. So it does look pretty good, particularly with the matching red interior. The disappointing thing with this car is I've seen quite a few of them, and a lot of them, there's a big V in the roof, and it's basically in the mould, maybe the paint's too thin, I'm not sure. Now, not all of these cars have that. I have seen probably about 20. They only released 864 of these, not 1200 like they did in the previous cars. So less models on probably a more desirable car, and a little bit disappointed because there really is some quality control issues in this model. Now, I have seen some good ones. As I said, they don't have it. My honest review of this and honest opinion of this car is that this is really a model, if you're going to be fussy, go and buy it in person and see the actual car that you're getting, not just buy it online. If you're not worried about it and you put it in the display cabinet, are you going to see the big V in it? You're not. V is like a big V for racing right on the top of the roof, and it's huge. And as I said, about 20 of the cars I've seen so far have had it, and I have seen some that haven't got it. So hopefully it's only in that small batch that I've seen, but I don't know, and I've got to be honest with you, it is definitely a car that I would buy in person, seeing what you're looking at. Make sure you're happy with the model, because at the end of the day, they are $299.95. We'll try and show you on film so you can actually see the V, and believe me when I tell you that it is quite noticeable, it is, but it may not be picked up on the camera. So just summing up, I love the car, I love the colour. I'm just very disappointed with some of the quality control issues with this model. It has got that matching red interior, which I think looks absolutely fantastic. Put it in the display cabinet, it's going to look great. Just those couple of quality control issues really do let it down. Well, thanks for watching this quick update on the VE-SSV. If you liked what you saw, please send us the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because it really will help us out. Till next time, happy collecting.